Initially, we have to create a project. I've already created a project, so I'll just be showing file, new project. So this is the Rails application. We'll be giving here a project name, and this is the Rails version, and this is the Ruby, which we already installed earlier. And then we'll be clicking on create. So now a project will be created. After creating the project, we'll be first creating the models. So to create the models in the application, in the models, we'll be creating three models which are called user, photo, and comment. To create, I've already created them. So to create them, we have to click on Tools, Run Rails Generator. We have to search model and we have to double click on this and we have to enter the name, initially user, and we have to click OK. Similarly, I'm now clicking cancel as I've already created. Similarly, we have to create all the three models. So for all these three models, we'll be entering the code based on a requirement, because one user can have many photos. Similarly, one user can have many comments. Here, one photo belongs to definitely one user only. A single photo belongs to only one user. So similarly, also a photo can have many comments. And here, a comment belongs to only one user, and it also belongs to, and also that photo belongs to only one user, and also that comment belongs to only that photo. Sorry. So now these are the models. Next comes so now the model part is done. Now comes the DB folder. So now in the application, DB migrate. So as soon after creating the models, these photos, comments, and users will be automatically created. And the tables, how the tables must be present, the code has been written in that way. So for all the three files, now we'll be creating another migrate file in a similar fashion, same as the models. But just a small difference is there. We'll be going to Tools, Run Rails Generator. Now we'll be selecting this migration. Now we'll be searching for migration. We'll be double clicking on it and we'll be entering load data. Load data, we'll be creating another migrate file. So here we'll be writing load data and we'll be clicking on OK to create this load data file. Now it has been created and we'll be writing the code for the load data file also. Next part is images. So all the users' images are stored in application assets images. All the users' images are stored in the JPG format. After this, we are going to migrate now. So now we'll be running a rake task. After running the rake task, the migration will be done. It will be shown in the command from below. Like all the commands will run, and at the end it will come as migrated. Yes, then we can consider that it has been migrated. Everything has been migrated. So now we have to run the next part is we have to run the database tool. So to run the database tool, we have to go to view. We have to go to views, and in this we have to go to view, and in this tool windows, we have to open the database. So now this I've done already earlier. For the first time, we have to click on plus and we have to first initially import the data sources. Here I am We have to select the Rails photo demo, and at the bottom we have to click apply and OK. After clicking that, we'll be getting all the tables. So the tables will be present. Okay, I'll close these. So all the tables, the photos table will be present like this, and comments table will be present. We got it, and similarly the users table also we got it. All these are the users. So this is the database. This is the database tool. After coming next part is we'll be going to the controllers part. The controllers will be controllers part. So now we'll be creating two controllers. It is present in applications, controllers. So I've created two controllers, photo controller and user controller. To create a controller, we'll be going to run and we'll be going to tools and run Rails generator. We'll be searching for controller. We'll be double clicking on this and we'll be giving the name user controller and clicking OK. As I've already created, I'm not creating it now. So I'm just stopping this database meanwhile and closing it. I'll close all these files as we move forward, and these are the two controllers. So the user controller and the photo controller, the code is mentioned for these. Yeah, code is mentioned for this. And next part, we'll be creating the one ERB. We'll be checking the Here photo and user folders are all like immediately created, automatically created. So now in this we'll be creating ERB files. Like for photo and user, each one ERB file will be creating. So to create an ERB file, we'll be going to run, we'll be going to tools, run Rails generator. Oh, sorry. We'll be to create an ERB file. We'll be right clicking on photo, new, and ERB file. We'll be entering the name index.html and we'll be clicking enter. We'll be clicking enter. Similarly for user also, we'll be creating index.html file. The code is mentioned like this for both the ERB files. Next comes the route file. I'll be closing this. So next comes the route file, and we have to go to the application. In application, we have to go to config. In this is the route file. We'll be keeping this code for the routing process, and everything is done now. So now we'll be running by selecting the development photo demo. What we have to check here is we have to check this so that it can run in the browser. So we'll be running the project. You can see here the Photosite has been displayed with the user lists. So we'll be going to the first user, Justin. All the comments, the photos, and created it, all the details are present. You can view the details even with the first or the last name. Similarly, next comes the Paris Hilton's details, photos and comments. Similarly, with her first and last name. Next comes the Megan Trainor's photos and comments. Next comes Barack Obama's photos and comments. Next comes Santa Claus's photos and comments. And last comes John Ousterhout's photos and comments. So using now a Photosite application has been created using Ruby on Rails. Thank you.